Welcome to the Building Digital Skills course. Let me show you around so you can navigate the course easily. Here under Classwork, each topic has a number of different applications for you to explore. Click on the name of the application. At a glance, you can see that this has a video and a PDF for you to look at. Click on View Material. Just simply click on one of the videos or PDFs to open it. The video opens up in a new tab. Here in the top right-hand corner is a download button. You can download that video so you can watch it later. You can do the same with the PDF, but here you need to go to the three dots and choose Open in New Window. Once you've done that, you'll have a download button here. Click on that to download the course material. You can always head back to the main page by clicking on the title of the course. Then click on Classwork. At the end of each topic is a challenge. Click on that. Scroll down, click on View Material, and there's a PDF of that same challenge that you can download. Again, click on the PDF, click on the three dots, and choose Open in New Window. Then click the download button. There's a video and PDF for each of the applications. At the end of the course is a quiz. Click on the quiz and View Material. Click on the quiz to open it and begin by filling out the information. If it's easier for you, you can open up the printable version of the quiz. Click on the three dots, open a new window, and hit the download button. Thanks for joining our course, and good luck.